Assalamu alaikum. So today we're looking at setting up questions on Kahoot. So first things first, we need to go to kahoot.it and create our free account. So let's get to it. Once you're there, you type in your username, email, and the password. And once you log in, you're going to see on your right hand side option that says create Kahoot. So once you click there on the right hand side, you have few templates available, but we're going to go for the blank template. So we want to start, you want to start with typing your question at the top. Where is this mosque? And then we can say New Delhi, India. Walking England. So we type in the possible answers to our question. Cairo, Egypt. So then you can upload your picture. There you go. There's the picture that we have. And we need to choose the correct answer. In this case, the correct answer is going to be Woking, England. And your first question is done. Now to add the next question, you select on the left hand side, add question, and then it's going to ask you true or false, what kind of a question you want to have. So I'm going to choose true or false this time. The country on the map is, so I'm going to upload the picture. Is Spain. The country on the map is Spain, so the correct answer is going to be true. And I'm going to add another question here, add question, and this time I'm going to choose this one here, quiz again, and upload the image. So in this case, my image is going to be 2 plus 2 minus 6. So this is like a maths question, and I could type it up in the top, at the top as well, minus 6 equals, and the possible answer could be 2 minus 2, 10, and 12, if anyone gets to that. So the correct answer is minus 2, and I have 3 questions in my Kahoot. The other thing you can do here is drag and move questions around. You can also edit your picture that you have in here by clicking on the crop image. Also on the side you can select how many seconds or minutes you want your participants or students, the people that your players are going to have to answer this question. And there you go, that's the most important bit for you to get you going. So you press done, and you need to give title to this quiz, so we'll call it Kahoot demo. There you go. You can add description as well if you want, but that's optional. So there you go. Your Kahoot is ready. So the important option it's going to give you is to test this Kahoot. So you can check if everything's working and all the questions are fine. So it's going to give you an overview of which virtual classroom. So on here, important bit, and that's the new update from Kahoot, is show question and answers on players' devices. So with the new update that they've done, and that's this option here, keep it on, because in that case, on the mobile phone that you can see on the left hand side, your players are going to see the question and the answers. Whereas previously Kahoot used to give only answers, so the players had to use two screens to play Kahoot. So if we tried to play this game that we just created using the classic, there we are, it's going to generate a code for your players to type in, and the mobile phone that you have on the side represents a device from which people might play Kahoot. So you type in the number that's given us here, 3967363, and you enter. And your players are going to be asked to give a nickname for this game. So I'm going to use this one. There we are. So my name's appeared on the screen now. So you press start to start the game. So the screen you see here is how the questions are going to appear on your screen, and on the left are the questions the way they're going to appear for your players. So you can see that the players can see the picture and the timer is going. So they need to choose the correct answer from the four, and there we are. The faster the players give answers, the more points they're going to have. Because I waited a bit on this one, I got 660 points. So let's go next. On here, it's going to show you a scoreboard of all the players that were playing this game. So in this case, if I answer really quickly, I get 933 points. The new update that Kahoot has done is really super cool, because it gives all the questions on the players' devices as well as answers. So the country on the map is Spain, and I'm going to wait for the last second or so to press the correct answer. And now, so I got 538 points in this case. So there you are. At the end, it shows you who's at the top and the champion after all the questions are answered. There you go. Fantastic. Once you're done with this, you can simply press back and go to your Kahoot and press done. Once you're ready that you want to play a game, once you log to your home page on Kahoot, you will see your game that you created on the right hand side, My Kahoots. So once you open it, you can see the questions here, and you can also show answers to check if they are correct. Once you're ready to play, you press play, and from here you want to host, and you want to select the classic, but don't forget to make sure that this option is on, show questions and answers on players' devices, classic. There we are. And now all you have to do is wait for your players to join in using the code that's created at the top. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can visit and subscribe to my channel, Easy Arabic with Metaltin.